Hi everyone, welcome back to Homemade by Jenny. Today I'll be using the leftover ingredients I have at home to make a dish called Thai basil stir-fried with squid. These are all the ingredients that I had left over from earlier on this week, so let's get started. We have some minced garlic, chopped up shallots, fish sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, pepper, and some oil for cooking. And here is the main ingredients: squid and Thai basil. So let's start it. So we're gonna first put in the oil in the pan. And turn on the stove. So now that the oil has come to temperature, we're gonna add in the shallots. The garlic. And we're going to stir fry it really quick until it becomes a little fragrant. So once you see the garlic and the shallot change in color, you can really smell it too. It should be fragrant. At this point, you can add the squid. Everything in there and stir through. You can all smell it in here. The squid only takes very little time to cook, probably just a couple minutes at max. So I'm just going to add the rest of the ingredients in here and mix together. There's the oyster sauce, the fish sauce, sugar, the pepper, and we're going to add the basil very last, just before everything is cooked and incorporated. So let the squid cook for about 2 minutes and stirring occasionally until you see the squid change its color into a more whiter and firmer. And now you can add the basil and mix it in. And to all of my friends and family who are vegetarian, there is a vegetarian version of this dish. You can substitute the squid with any, meat substitute like tofu or any meatless alternative, and that will work as well. Actually, most of the dishes you can add chili because my kids are eating it, so I tend not to add chili in it. But that's all you need. It's all cooked and ready to go. Now, I hope everyone enjoy it. Let's assemble. Okay, now the dish is ready, and we're just gonna put it onto a plate and enjoy our meal. To eat, I usually like to serve this with some rice, steamed rice, and a fried sunny side up egg. Hope everyone will enjoy.